Good afternoon, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott, and today we're doing an unboxing from Shave Nation. So that's another supplier out there, a Geo Fat Boy. I call him the godfather of shaving. He's been around for a while, so he's one of the guys who just got me hooked on what to use, what razor. In fact, his video was like the final straw that I needed to pull the trigger to buy the Edwin Jagger DE89 many years ago. So let's see what we got today from him. Now this is what I got for, actually it's a Valentine's present, so I'm a couple of weeks early with this box. So it's not going to get used until Valentine's Day, but we'll open it now. We'll show you what I got here. Got just a couple items, not a lot. Gotta open the lid, very well packaged. Let's see, sorry, the paper says something. Let's see what it says. Yeah. It says Shave Nation Shaving Supplies. Okay, so basically it's got a little stamp, this little company logo thing there on the pet. Nice little touch, nice touch. It's like a liner for the box. Oh, I can't pull it back. I gotta put it down on the counter so I can pull out the paper. And you see we got something here in a USPS envelope. I'm trying to hold it up higher so you can see. Very well wrapped. Yeah! A Shave Nation bowl. Let's take that out there. And of course, red for Valentine's Day. How poetic. I've been wanting one of his bowls for years, but never really wanted a smooth bowl. And then he started coming out with these dimpled bowls. So it's like, and he's got the little, calls it a little like channel in the bottom there, indent for put the soap. And the dimples there to help whip up the lather. And it's got some nice heft to it for a solid plastic piece. I'm amazed at how much that weighs, actually. I'm kind of impressed. So Geo Fat Boy, thank you very much for that. Of course, it says Shave Nation on the side of it. I'm thinking that's not plastic. I'm thinking that's some kind of pottery thing is what that is. So that's not an instructable. And now the other thing is, I've had recently requests for a specific razor. So yeah, I got a specific razor that was requested for me to review. And I've been hearing a lot about it for a lot of years, and I do like certain adjustable razors, especially when you have multiple blaze plates. So you know what this is. So I got the outer box, nice case, Rockwell plates. Yeah, this is the 6S. This is the stainless steel. So taking out the cover here. This cover, I get my fingers in there and get it out. There we go. And there it is. Oh, that just came out of place a little bit. But yeah, so there's all the plates. It has 3 base plates, and each side of the base plate is a different aggressiveness. So let's just take one out, for example, to show you. Put that down for a minute. See, that says it's the 2 plate. On the other side says the 4 plate. And whatever side is facing down with the handles on it, that's the plate, the aggressiveness you have, the level you have. So, kind of cool the way Rockwell does it. And it's been around for a while. Oh, comes with some blades in there too. But yeah, nice presentation, nice case. Nice little, that's like hard plastic there. And of course a bonded cover. Is that a magnetic? Oh, magnetic lid. Nice presentation, Rockwell. Nice presentation. I really enjoy that. And of course, the razor itself, 3-piece razor. Let's just take it apart. See it? Stainless steel. It's not polished or anything. It's just matte finish, so save a little money that way. There we go. 3-piece, standard classic 3-piece razor, really. And of course, that's showing the 1 setting, which is the lowest. And you can see it. You can tell it's got very little gap there for that 1 setting. And the other side of that is the 3 setting. So let's just see what that looks like in there. And you can tell there's more gap. So yeah, so that works well. In fact, I might start with a 3. I don't know where to start between a 1 and 6. So you have 6 different possible settings for aggressiveness. Probably we'll start with a 3. I don't know where to start. So start in the middle of the road. So we'll start with maybe a 3, well, maybe a 4. Maybe 4. Yeah, let's get the upper half. That's where I'll start. And I'll probably start with an Astra blade because that's like my new razor blade to go to. It's a tried and true blade. Middle of the road blade and all that, so I like to start with that. But this spins on really. I'm sorry, I just took this on and off a couple of times. Real smooth, real nice. No issues about trying to get it caught. No, that just was rock solid. Nice heft to that razor. That's got to be close to the 100 gram mark for the full assembled razor. It just has that nice heft to it that I like. About 100 grams. Feels just about perfect to me. So a couple items that I got. That was kind of it that I got for this unboxing, but I wanted to share that with you, and so you'll be seeing that probably in a couple of weeks there after, at least for Valentine's Day or after, you'll see that in a video coming up. So hope you wait, look around and wait for that to come around. And with that, go with God.